Okay, now it's in place, and then you put oil all over the side on this one. You don't put it in without oil, yeah, it will get ruined. Okay, so I found the issue where the oil leak is. So I changed the O-ring, and oh, there you go. There it is, using the UV dye. It's coming from the oil pan. Yep. So you got oil in here. That green dye. So if I open this up, there. It's coming from there. So the oil pan needs to be resealed. The crankshaft gasket or the seal is okay. There's no leak on that one. This is where the leak is coming from. Yep. There you go. So I need to open up the oil pan and reseal it. And if you look at this, the take the oil filter, I could see some oil seepage too. Yep. There we go. And yep. Yeah, we'll see how bad is the